If you're into DIY projects, custom engraving, or small-scale manufacturing, this LASER TREE LT-K1-MAX-60W laser engraver is a pretty serious piece of equipment. The biggest highlight here is the 60-watt laser module, designed for engraving and cutting materials such as wood, leather, and other compatible materials. With that kind of power, this machine is aimed at users who want to go beyond simple surface engraving and work on more demanding cutting and engraving projects. Another interesting feature is the adjustable laser power system. The listing mentions 20-watt and 40-watt TTL module options, giving you more control over the laser output depending on the material and the type of job you're working on. That can be useful when you're doing detailed engraving, where you don't need maximum power, or when you need more power for deeper processing. The machine also offers a fairly large working area, while maintaining a relatively compact overall footprint. Its listed dimensions are around 99 by 70 by 19 centimeters, giving you plenty of space for larger signs, decorations, wood projects, and custom designs. The listed weight is approximately 27 kilograms, so while this isn't exactly a portable desktop gadget, it's still manageable for a workshop or dedicated work area. It's available with shipping options from several locations, including China, Mexico, Poland, Russia, the United States, and Brazil, depending on the version and availability. The model featured here is the LASER TREE LT-K1-MAX-60W, and it's marketed toward both DIY users and professional workshops. Now, one very important thing with a laser this powerful: laser safety should be taken seriously. A 60-watt laser can cause serious eye and skin injuries and can also create a fire hazard. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's safety instructions, use appropriate laser-rated eye protection where required, provide proper ventilation or fume extraction, and never operate the machine unattended. Also, make sure the materials you're cutting or engraving are actually suitable for laser processing. So this isn't a machine I treat like an ordinary DIY tool. A proper workspace and safety setup are essential. As for the price, it's currently listed at around $1,524.88, compared with the original listed price of $4,068.55, which is shown as a 62% discount. There's also a promo code LASERTREE, which the listing shows as providing an additional $2 discount. The promotion is listed as running until August 28, 2026, but promotions can change, so check the listing before purchasing. If you're interested in the LASER TREE LT-K1-MAX-60W, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price, options, and specifications. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, DIY tools, workshop equipment, and interesting gadgets.